ANC Secretary-General Fikile Mbalula has defended South Africa's transformation policies, arguing that economic inequality between black and white citizens remains stuck 3 decades into democracy. Speaking in Polokwane on Wednesday during a commemoration for struggle icon Peter Mokaba, Mbalula said the majority of the country's wealth is still in white hands, with billionaire businessman Patrice Motsepe being one of the few black exceptions. Who are the billionaires in the economy? Except Motsepe, they are all white. Our only billionaire is Motsepe. Besides that, we have Rupert and other white people who are benefiting from this country's economy. According to Mbalula, broad-based black economic empowerment through BEE and related policies remain essential tools to address the legacy of apartheid. He said the ANC rejects international criticism of transformation initiatives, particularly from the United States. How do we get rid of black economic empowerment when transformation has not arrived? The struggle is not yet over. Mbalula argued that inequality is still visible in everyday life and continues to fall overwhelmingly along racial lines. He said, have you seen a white homeless person? The homeless are black. Have you ever seen an unemployed white person or a white person living in a shack? He also dismissed claims of discrimination against minorities in South Africa, saying allegations of white genocide are unfounded. Black economic empowerment policies have increasingly come under scrutiny, with critics arguing that BEE has enriched a small political elite rather than uplifting the broader black population. The DA has proposed scrapping the current framework in favor of a new model, its Economic Inclusion for All bill, which it claims will attract investment, expand job opportunities, and avoid discrimination on the basis of race. The party is lobbying the ANC to support the bill, insisting it will stimulate economic growth while benefiting every South African. Despite BE's flaws, Mbalula insists the transformation project remains unfinished and the ANC will not abandon it. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.